Welcome back, and welcome to my new viewers. We're going to get started on this painting. The colors are scrolling on the screen right now. This one's short and sweet and to the point because of the holidays and due to the fact that I've been a little under the weather. Anyway, the painting has dried pretty much for several days, almost a week, and we just went back over with some titanium white ever so lightly to give it that foggy feeling. I believe when I last left you there was no water, so I somehow managed to not video that part, but I put in just a mixture of titanium white, ivory black, and Payne's gray to just cover the white spot. It was just too glaring white. Hard to judge contrast that way. I'm using my fan brush to get some more detail on them trees, and I'm sure I'll go back over them at least one more time. Still using the fan brush to put in some of the little twigs and small shrubs over there on what appears to be a tiny little island with a tree on it. Here I'm using my palette knife to scratch in some little twigs and small trees, which I'll probably go back over with my liner brush on some of them. I'd like to thank y'all for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. It helps my videos be seen by more people, which helps me get more subscribers, which eventually may turn into a lucrative employment in my ripe old age. Anyway, thanks a lot, y'all. Appreciate you. This one's coming to an end. So we'll see you next week. Bye for now.